Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the Speak to Wake Alexa function in the Amazon application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right, and then scroll down and at the settings section look for the Alexa button and click on that. And here just look for the Speak to Wake Alexa section, and in order to enable it just click on the white circle next to it, and once it turns blue this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.